Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to try to take this forward mirror off, and when I say try, I mean I'm gonna do it. Now, I've seen people use this tool. I have this tool. I've used it, it helps, but I used to use years ago. I made a video on a different YouTube platform, or whatever you call it, channel, and this thing works great, patent pending, but they don't make them anymore. And this was actually what I really used most of the time. But to put it back on, I actually bought this. This slides underneath and it clamps right inside the top little notch up there, and that's when I put it back on. So I don't know if I'll get a chance to show you that part later. But what I do use, you can get yourself on the same website as this equalizer, is this tool, which comes with this same similar tool, except it's just comes with this little group, which is nice because it comes with some other tools that you can use, kind of the pick tools, the hex or whatever called screw, and a Phillips screw. So let's see if I can't impress myself along with everybody else. Whoa, with this one here, and see what happens. I also have this tool. So you really just need 4 tools. You need this, you need this, you need a camera to film what you're doing, and like me, you need your glasses to see what you're doing. So I just put this underneath, start tapping away. There, and it did. It actually goes far enough inside that this bottom part is what actually starts pushing up. So once this gets in far enough, then it's left to just use this notch right here to push the whole mirror up. So I think I should be able to take this off now. And then I just slightly wiggle back and forth, back and forth, back and forth while pushing up. And lo and behold, we've got ourselves a mirror. And then, like I said, when it comes time to putting it back in, this tool here, once again, I don't know where I got this one. Oh, it is is it equalizer? It is equalizer, says it as well. So like we say, this just goes underneath and on top of this clamp. I don't know how well you can see that. It doesn't hurt to spray a little soapy water or a glass cleaner. I wiggle it back in as far as I can go. Like we said, this part here just kind of goes underneath that area. This one goes in here. And then I start to close it. And I'm gonna open this clamp up wider. And then, like I said, I would actually be putting it in further, but I don't really want to put it in just yet. Although I guess I'm gonna have to if I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So I come down here, and then, like we said, I just clamp this in until I hear it click. Like I said, I should be putting it in a lot further. I mean, I gotta tint this whole windshield, so I don't really want to put it back in just yet, but I guess you guys forced me to. I don't hear the click yet, so again, I'm trying to wiggle down further. I should use some soap, like I said, if once I'm really putting it back in. There, I feel it now. There. Now it's back in as normal. Like I said, the tool I used to always use was this one, which I feel worked always easier for me. Now it might be safer to use a rubber mallet, I don't know. But there you have it. Hammer, equalizer tool, glasses, camera. Whoa, whoa.